Inglewood are puzzled about what could be in the sky. Some say it's two planes close to each other. Other people say they're drones. Hello again, everybody. I'm Chris Safadi.
And I'm Lois Tomey. The question of drones has captured the attention of the nation. In New Jersey, the drone mystery has lasted for weeks, with the FAA getting involved. Wake News reporter Olivia Jean talked with experts trying to crack the case.
There's a sight in the sky that is stirring up people all across the country. Drones. The sighting started back in November 2024 across the Northeast.
One relative is in Massachusetts, had seen them directly. My sister, Pennsylvania, and her daughter, my niece, had seen them in rural Pennsylvania.
And now, possible drone sightings in the Inglewood, Venice, and Northport areas. Camilla Scherer lives in Inglewood.
At first, I assumed that they were planes. They were quite close together, flying simultaneously, very slowly. Wasn't sure what they were at first. I thought, that's interesting. Maybe they could be drones.
The sky-high sightings landed in an Inglewood community Facebook post. Dozens commented, debating whether or not the two objects in the sky were planes or drones. A drone expert told me he believes they are drones, and he told me why.
They're very slim. One thing that the drone can do is that they are super quiet, versus an airplane that their engines are too loud. Airplanes don't fly that close together.
Both the Sarasota and Charlotte sheriff's offices tell me they haven't got any reports.
The red lights are in the front. That way you know if the drone is looking at you. If you see green lights on the drone, that means the drone is flying away from you.
I feel that it's invasive and someone knows something and should report it to the public. I certainly would like to know who is responsible for them if they are drones and why.
Questions still remain on who has eyes in the sky. Olivia Jean, Wink News.
Fuck. Now I think the lights do give it the appearance like it's a triangle, but okay, so now it looks like a more like a green, like the bottom one, but it could be that the red and the green one might be the main wing and the white one might be the tail, like a standard plane configuration potentially. but there's not really any way of telling because it's so dark. But the weird thing for me is that there's no flashing lights on it at all. So, who knows? Now the red and the green lights could potentially be the end of the wings, and then the white one on the tail. But it's weird that it's like that because it gives it a triangle a look to it. But nothing's flashing on it at all. Yeah. It's just too dark. You just can't make it out. Like any what the shape is.
You see that footage online, that drone shows that different.
Definite drone with props in it. So whether it's some sort of surveillance drone or just a plane keeping an eye on things, just don't know.
I haven't seen that.